Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another review episode. I got this from Amazon the other day, and it's a Carsun air pump. Inflate tires fast and easy. I'm going to unbox it for you right now. It's an air pump, tire inflator. This is the third tire inflator I've gotten in the recent months. Instructions? Get out of here! We don't need instructions! Forget about it. Anyway, this is the nozzle. Comes with a little bag here. The drawstring. Let's see what this looks like. Nice bag. Some accessories, the pin nozzles for, you know, your balls, footballs, basketballs, whatever. A thing to inflate, like inflatable toys for your pool. There's a fuse and some other nozzles and adapters. That's that. And this plastic thing here, like that. It has a charging cable for your cigarette lighter for your car. So it's not cordless. For this to work, you need to plug it into your car. Cigarette adapter. Or if you have a jumper pack that has that cigarette lighter attachment. I don't know why they call them cigarette lighters anymore, because they don't put them in the cars anymore, you know. There's an LED readout over here, so it looks like I might have to go and plug this into a car somewhere. I can't test it right now because it's no battery in it, you know what I mean? Looks like it has an LED light over here too. A readout for power, memory, brightness, up and down buttons. Pretty straightforward. Over here we attach the nozzle. And looks like I might have to go into my car to get my car keys. And we'll go to my car and go plug it in, see if it works. So I've got my car keys, and I'm going to plug it into my cigarette lighter in my car. Got to turn on the power. Let's see if we have power. There we go. So it's got different types of settings: bar, PSI, KPA, and something for per centimeters. And you have the brightness. I'm in the sun right now, so I can't see. It's got memory. So on and off. So we're not going to do that. We're going to do this, because as you can see, it needs a little bit of air. So let's try it. On, push down, and on. So it was at 6.5 before, now it's at 10. Very good. Pretty fast. Yeah, very good. So it's at 15 now. See that? Which is too much. This is about 10, but it pumped it up very quickly. That's good. Now we're doing the other side. And it's only at 4.5 right now. And it rises very quickly. See? 6, 7, 7.5. Very fast. the light button. So you have an LED light, 3 of them. And now it's at 12. Very good. Very good. So this is very convenient to have in your car, you know. It's not cordless, so you can't just like, you know, pump anything up around the house or something like that. You'd have to have an outlet for your cigarette lighter, but it works pretty good. So it's a nice little item here, convenient to have in your car. If you ever need a little bit of air, you don't have to look for a gas station for an air pump or something like that. You have one right in your car. The only drawback is that it's not portable enough for you to take around, as in mobile, you know. You have to have a source of power, which is the car and your cigarette lighter. You gotta plug it in for this to work. I have had the small ones that are lithium ion battery operated. Those you just charge up, keep in your glove box, and you can use it wherever you want. You can take it somewhere and pump it up. You don't have to have your car. So this is one of those that you require an outlet for your cigarette lighter, but it seems to pump very fast, faster than those items, right? And you can set how much you want and it'll stop automatically. And it's lightweight, convenient, and it has a nice little LED light in case you get stuck at night. I'm going to leave a link in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing this on Amazon.com. So check out the description. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's review of this tire inflator. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Here at Mowers and Blowers, we push them into the garage, but they come out driving.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.